Hey guys, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to cancel your Surfshark VPN subscription. So to cancel your Surfshark VPN subscription, you'll need to follow these steps. Now first thing, you need to go ahead and log in into your Surfshark VPN, and when you're logged into your account, that's going to take you to the home page. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings or subscription settings. Tap the gear icon from the bottom right hand side corner, and right on this page you can go to my accounts. While you're on this page, you can go ahead and select the subscription plan. So basically it's going to be located right on this page. So in my case, I don't happen to have a subscription plan, so I'm unable to show you the procedure. So you can just go ahead and click the cancellation option and follow the prompt to proceed with the cancellation. Proceed with the canceling your subscription. Surfshark may ask you to provide a reason for canceling or offer incentive to encourage you to keep your subscription as well. After completing the cancellation process, Surfshark may ask you to confirm your decision to cancel it. You can review the details and confirm that you want to cancel your subscription, and once you've canceled your subscription, you should receive a confirmation email from the Surfshark confirming the cancellation. You can keep this email as your record as well, and that's how you can cancel your subscription on Surfshark. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.